guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Well, I'm going to try today to cook a steak with our Starfire camp stove because I feel like it. I'm going to test out some new pyro putty. Buddy gave it to me. Let's just see if we can get a fire started and get it going. And today, instead of some twigs to start it, I've got some pine cones. So we're going to see if we can get something going with pine cones. I've got plenty of sticks and twigs, but we'll just see what happens. With this pyro putty, it's waxy. It's a waxy substance. So what I'm going to do here, so we're going to see if we can light it on fire and then take it and put it in here. So let's see. All right, we're going to use our JG5. It's a high carbon steel knife. It has a full flat grind, but what I like about it, it's uncoated and sharp 90-degree spine. And I'll show you why that matters. I'm going to get in a better position. You can just, there we go, let's see. Oh. There we go. Got that pyro putty started. Let's take it. Let's pop it in here. Now, well used JG5. Alright, those pine cones actually did really well starting the fire and catch it on. Now I've got to put some sticks and twigs and stuff like that on there, but for right now we're going to go ahead and want to see how this does with a decent sized pot here. So we've got that. Alright, we want to heat that up a little bit. Just kind of get that fire going. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little bit larger pieces in there. A little bit larger pieces, that way we get this thing going for just a smidgen longer than what it's used to. So, alright. Just kind of fill that bad boy up right there. Alright, now I think I got that pan heated up halfway decent. I'm going to put this steak on there. Guys, in a grid down scenario, the advantages of having something like this, you just can't quantify it. It's quiet. Like I said, you only need sticks and twigs. I will link to a video where I had boiled water in 10 minutes with just sticks and twigs. And it's one of those things where little things, just yard waste is what this thing is using. So it's phenomenal. I'm going to flip this steak. And we'll see how she's doing. Yeah. All right. Look at that, folks. Golly, that's good stuff. I'll pop that bad boy. Pop that bad boy on the plate. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Look at that. All right. So one of the keys I wanted to talk to you guys about was the importance of having a stove like that. Guys, like, I just can't tell you how important it is. One, because you need to have a way to cook your food. By the way, the steak's delicious. delicious. You've got to have a way to cook your food in a grid down scenario. And to be honest with you guys, a grid down scenario is not far away. With the way they're talking about Russia and Ukraine and the threat of nuclear war, who knows about the power grid? And who knows, it doesn't have to be a nuke. It can be a cyber attack or anything of the such. So you guys have got to be ready and prepared. Guys, I know I kind of harped about on the first video that may have been, you know, a little expensive, but I'm telling you, 50, 60 bucks to be able to cook food, I mean, it's basically like a free burner. And yeah, you have to keep putting sticks and twigs and pay attention. Guys, again, I collected that stuff out of my yard. So I'm telling you guys, y'all really need to have a way to cook your food and a backup way to cook your food. So this is T-Carp signing out. I'm going to enjoy my food.